Alright, today I've got a turn signal out. So this was the front replacement and this is the rear. I had a different color in the front for some reason when I got my retrofit back. So went by, grabbed a little clear bulb, and just gonna give a quick rundown of how to take the headlight or take the tail light off, because you have to do that when you're taking this off. And I've already loosened these, so I've just got to I've got to loosen just a little bit. And this is I think a 3/32. Yeah, between 3/16 and 3/64. So yeah, that's a 9/64. So I actually don't know what it is, but it goes right here under 3/10 or 3/16. So sorry, but just unscrew this. The screws off to the side. This whole thing is loose. You stick your hand under this and just pull straight out. And now there's still another thing in the top. And you grab right about here and just there you go. Now that's loose, and you just take out your tail light or your turn signal, which is this top one, and it's just a little clip right there. Pull it out, slide the new bulb in, and you'll be good. So I'll have to lay this phone down for a second. So here we go.